we have taken the following measures for captains to prevent the epidemic. A temperature check on the captain before getting on duty is carried out every day with record of the inspection. Captains with a body temperature exceeding 37.3 degrees Celsius cannot be on duty. The captain must wear a mask when he or she is on duty. Passengers are reminded to wear masks. Those who do not wear masks are dissuaded, and those who do not listen may be refused for the ride. Passengers are prohibited from bringing live birds, alcohol, disinfectant, and other flammable and explosive dangerous goods onto the vehicle. Passengers are prompted to disperse and avoid crowding.